Alienware AW2524HF Gaming Monitor is built for speed, clarity, and competitive performance, pushing the limits of what a gaming display can deliver. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in description below for pricing details and availability of this gaming monitor. At its core, the AW2524HF features an overclocked refresh rate of 500 Hz, setting an entirely new benchmark for fluid motion and ultra-responsive gameplay. Whether you're playing high-speed shooters or precision-based esports titles, this monitor ensures every frame renders with clarity and speed. Complementing that refresh rate is an impressive 0.5 milliseconds gray-to-gray response time, made possible by a cutting-edge Fast IPS panel. This combination nearly eliminates motion blur and ghosting, giving gamers a decisive edge during critical moments. The screen is a 24.5-inch Full HD panel with a matte finish, designed to reduce glare while delivering crisp visuals at a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The 16:9 aspect ratio keeps your field of vision expansive yet immersive, ideal for both casual and competitive gaming. With 99% sRGB color accuracy, you'll experience consistently vivid and true-to-life visuals. Not only great for gaming, but also for content creation and media consumption. To ensure smooth performance regardless of your GPU, the monitor is certified with both AMD FreeSync Premium and VESA AdaptiveSync technologies. These keep screen tearing and stutter at bay even during the most graphically intense scenes, offering a seamless experience across a wide range of gaming rigs. For extended gaming sessions, TÜV ComfortView Plus helps reduce harmful blue light without compromising image quality, a critical feature for protecting your eyes during long hours in front of the screen. Ergonomics haven't been overlooked either. The AW2524HF offers full adjustability, height, tilt, swivel, and pivot, so you can set up your perfect viewing angle with ease. The premium build quality you'd expect from Alienware is present throughout, supported by a 3-year advanced exchange warranty that provides extra peace of mind. Whether you're upgrading from a slower panel or stepping into the world of high-refresh gaming for the first time, this monitor is designed to deliver performance you can feel in every match. With top-tier specs, elite responsiveness, and thoughtful ergonomic design, the Alienware AW2524HF stands out as a serious tool for serious gamers. It's not just about keeping up, it's about taking the lead.